Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Canva designs into Dropbox folders step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account using your credentials. Select the design you want to transfer. Once the design opens, click on the download button, usually found in the top right corner. Choose the file format you prefer for your design. After selecting the format, click the download button to save the file to your computer. Open a new tab in your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account with your credentials. Navigate to the specific folder where you want to upload your Canva design. In the Dropbox folder, click on the Upload Files button, typically located near the top of the screen. A File Explorer window will open. Locate the Canva design file you just downloaded. Select the file and click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a confirmation message once it's done. Verify that the file appears in the Dropbox folder you selected. You have successfully transferred your Canva design into Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.